My name is Frank Weston. I'm the president and COO of InstaFire. I am an avid hunter, fisherman, outdoorsman. I camp a lot. I grill probably 52 weeks out of the year. I love charcoal, hate gas. InstaFire is a granulated product. It is made from volcanic rocks. We take the rock, we blend it with a wood pellet, and then we coat it all with a food-grade paraffin. So when you light it, it starts really similar to a candle, and then just kind of grows from there. And the idea, the premise is you got 50,000 candles all burning at the same time, and that's what gives you your heat and your light and your fire from the product. Definitely my favorite way to use InstaFire. Well, there's two favorite ways to use InstaFire. Number one is charcoal cooking. I love my Dutch ovens. I love grilling. And I use that a ton. And then when I go camping or even hunting, sometimes I'll come in off an elk hunt that I've been walking around the mountains for 8-9 hours, and you're too tired to even eat, and all you want to do is just light a fire and die. And so I will do just that. I will light a fire and lay down next to it and die. And all you elk hunters know what I'm talking about. The Infernal Camp Stove is going to be awesome. It uses the solid fuel tablet that we've introduced to the market and invented. It will boil water in under 3 minutes. You basically light it, you put it down in the bottom, and you get it going just a little bit, and then it's got a fan underneath it. And the premise is when the fan turns, there's holes all the way around on the bottom half so that the product doesn't fall into the fan, but the airflow will get up and get into the flame. It's almost like a forge, and you're basically just superheating the fire. Well, we started InstaFire basically because Connell was in the idea that he wanted a safe, storable fuel. And we saw that in InstaFire. Basically, it's a rock and a wax. How long can you store a candle in a rock for? And so he wanted to start something to where he had that emergency fuel deal for the emergency preparedness and the preppers. Me myself, I just wanted an easier way to light charcoal because the fumes from lighter fluid kill me. It gives me a headache almost instantaneously. I can't be around the fumes from the lighter fluid very long. And so I really love grilling and I love the charcoal cooking, but I just couldn't do it with the lighter fluid. And so when we started InstaFire, it was basically him having his emergency fuel and me myself for charcoal cooking. And that's basically, and we really wanted to keep it for ourselves. We weren't going to start a company. We just made the product and was going to keep it in our own little back shoes. But then one of Connell's friends got wind of it and bought an entire pallet of it. And so we decided, I guess we're in business. And that's basically how it started.